Okay, so for beginners who want to use the RadoTech device, make sure it's fully charged first. The charger uses a micro USB head, so you charge it here with a USB charger, plug it in here, and it will show an orange light when charging. Once it's fully charged, the light will turn green. That means it's fully charged. Now we can start activating it to do the RadoTech testing for organs. Okay, so this is water to be applied to the hand. The hand must have water so that when we tap with this tip, there is contact. Okay? There is contact, it can be detected. If the hand is too dry, it won't work. So you need to apply it. Now on this phone, the RadoTech app has already been downloaded. So before you start the connection, you need to turn on Bluetooth first. Okay? Bluetooth must be turned on. After that, go to the RadoTech app. We welcome you to RadoTech. Okay, when you have turned it on, the screen will look like this. There will be a line here, right? You press here, then you press measure now. Okay, measure now. After that, it will tell you how to hold the RadoTech device. Then you press next. It will tell you that when you test with this tip, your hand must be moist. You must spray water on it. Okay? After that, you press next again. Okay? So now it says it's ready for testing. So this is the right hand. Just follow along the same way. Just follow the screen. You press start. After that, here, you enter the profile from earlier. So let's say I want to test Johnson tongue. So I select this, Johnson tongue. After that, I press next. Okay, after that, I press this. Press don't let go after pressing. Later, a blue light will start blinking. Like this. So it's now on standby, ready for connection. Okay, so you press this refresh button, the round one. You press it. Now it's green. That means it's now connected. Okay, Bluetooth is now connected. So now to test the right hand, the left hand needs to hold this device. You have to hold it like this, okay? Hold this device, then use the other hand. For me, I do it myself. Okay. So here, just follow this. Just follow the giveaway points. Just follow the giveaway screen points for the scan. So first, you must wet your hands first. Follow this point. You must spray water to wet your hands first. Make sure your hands are wet, okay? After that, you hold this, follow the way shown on the screen. Okay, number one is this part here. Just follow, you press and don't let go, okay? After that, follow this. The middle part, then the side here. After that, just follow along the side part. Just follow the picture. Turn your hand. After that, here. And finally, right here. After that, the foot. If you're testing the right hand, it must be the right foot. After that, it will shift. After finishing with the foot, it will shift to the other hand. Then follow the same screen method for the 6 points. Each left hand has 6 points, left foot 6 points, right hand 6 points, and right foot also 6 points. All right. So now for the next part of our session, I want you to just follow along with this specific sequence for tapping the foot correctly. I am not actually going to show my real foot on camera right now. So I want you to just assume and imagine that this hand here is my foot. Okay? So, looking at this is point number 1. Just follow this movement as if it is the actual foot you are working on. Okay? Tap right here. Okay? Specifically on the side, then move over and tap on this other side again. Please just assume this is the foot for the sake of the demonstration, okay? And then follow along to the front area here, all right? And also make sure to cover the middle section here as well. This is actually my hand, as you can see, but for these purposes, you just need to assume it represents the foot. After you finish that part, the instructions tell you to shift your hand position, okay? Move your hand over to this one, go towards the right side, okay? Go right, and then this one goes over to the left side. For the board testing phase, the process is exactly the same. Before you begin the actual testing, you absolutely have to warm up your hand thoroughly. Okay? Make sure to warm up your hand well. Then, the right hand holds the left hand to perform the tap. Just follow the diagram shown on the screen. Okay? tap the middle, okay, then the side, okay, and the side here. Remember that each part has 6 specific points to cover, so just follow the screen according to the diagram provided, okay? So now we are going to move to the left foot as well. So assume this is the left foot now, okay, the left foot. After you are done drying off, just follow the exact same method to tap the left foot, okay? Tap this side, then the other side, and finally the middle, okay? So that is it. You are completely done with the testing phase. So you can press down right here on the diagram and you can see all the various tests that you have done earlier, okay? On this specific part right here, okay? So this is exactly what I tested a little bit earlier. Right here you can see there's green and there's also red. Green means the energy level is perfectly normal, okay? While red means the organ's energy level is currently above the original range, which is what we call the green zone. If it shows up as blue, it means it's weak. Weak energy will always show as blue. So what we really need to pay close attention to is the blue color, okay? Because blue indicates a state of weakness. Red, because there's red, there's also blue, and the red is there to support and help balance things back to normal, so it shows up as red. So what we primarily want to look for is the blue, which indicates a specific weakness. Down here, you can see the overall measurement of my total energy level, my immune system, my metabolism, and my muscular system. All of these different systems can be tested and shown right here. Here, there's a calculation, okay? If you look up here, this reading is the overall calculation for the body. For men, a reading between 900 and 1100 is considered healthy, while for women, it's between 800 and 1000, okay? So now, the reading here is over 800, which means the overall energy level is actually okay. You just need to know which specific part needs to be studied further. For example, purple means there's a weakness present. Then over here, okay, is the summary. This is the full report from the test we just performed. The summary is that the left and right colon have some weaknesses, okay? Because the colon here has weaknesses, as a result, our heart functions smoothly and actively to compensate, okay? So what we want to look at is that our colon has weaknesses, so we check the report for those weaknesses, okay? This is the overall weakness reading, okay, which is currently insufficient for us to read fully. After this report is completely done, you can send it by email. Just press here, okay, press here to enter the email address, enter the subject line, then send this report to the customer. Simply ask them for their email address, okay? So after this, you need to do a pressure check, then you can go into the capsule. After finishing in the capsule in a session of half an hour for a trial or pay for a full 1 hour therapy session, after coming out, rest for about 50 minutes to half an hour, drink some warm water, then you can do the same method as before. That's what we call the second pretest. After coming out of the capsule, that's the post-test, okay? So the post-test follows the exact same procedure, okay? Come out, press these 3 lines, press measure, press next, okay? Press start. Then select the same person's name again. Then press next. Make sure the light is connected and green, then start the test again according to the instructions. Follow this diagram. After finishing, the diagram of the tested results will appear again. Okay? If you want to review the history records, you can press here on History, press here, and it will display all the readings. Just now it was already recorded. Yes, okay? It was already recorded. All the readings and everything are here. All right, that's the RadoTech test. Thank you.